Hello everyone! In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to multiply a two-digit number by another two-digit number with regrouping. Let's start with number 1. What is 27 times 25? First, we will multiply 27 by the ones digit, which is 5. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Write down 5, carry 3. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 3 equals 13. Next, multiply 27 by the tens digit, which is 2. Remember that 2 is in the tens place, so it represents 20. So, write down the answer in the tens under the tens place in the first partial product, or we can put 0 as our placeholder. 2 times 7 equals 14. Write down 4, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then add the two partial products. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So, the product is 675. Example number 2. 56 times 32. First, multiply 56 by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1, 11. And then, we will multiply by the tens digit. And we can put 0 as our placeholder. 3 times 6 is 18. So write down 8, carry 1. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. And then add the two partial products and make sure to align the digits. So bring down 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. And bring down 1. So the product is 1,792. Remember to align the digits according to their proper place values. For example number 3, we have 84 times 42. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Next, multiply by 4. We can put 0 as a placeholder. 4 times 4 is 16. 6, carry 1. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. And then add the two partial products. That is 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, carry 1. 3, 4, 5. And bring down 3. So that is 3,528. For example number 4, try to solve it on your own. And once you're done, comment your answer below. You may also take a picture of your solution and post it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. I hope you learned something from our video lesson, and keep practicing. Remember that the more you practice, the better you become.